I'm not forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven calls me his own. He's not just seated upon the throne. I know he's right here inside my home. I've got a treasure here in my heart, and in my weakness it won't depart. I have a Savior who will abide. He's not just with me, he lives inside. Just go ask Daniel if our God will bring you out, and he will testify. He shut the lion's mouth. Go ask those Hebrew boys if you stick by your side, they will identify the fourth man in the fire. They'll tell you, oh, oh, he's in the room, oh, yes. They'll tell you, oh, my God is in the room, ooh, yeah.